In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get your Todoist API key in just a few quick steps. This is super useful if you want to connect Todoist to another app, automate tasks, build workflows, or use it inside a custom script or no-code platform. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Now let's jump right in. First, open your desktop browser and go to the Todoist Web App. Make sure you're signed into the correct Todoist account, especially if you use more than one profile. Once the app is loaded, look to the top left corner of the screen and click your profile avatar. This will open your account menu with several options. From the drop-down menu, click Settings. This is where Todoist keeps your account preferences, app options, and developer-related tools. After the Settings page opens, look for the Integrations tab in the left-hand sidebar menu and click it. The Integration section is where Todoist connects to other services and apps. Now, at the top of the main display panel, click the Developer tab. This is the section you need in order to find your Todoist API token. Once you're on the Developer page, scroll if needed until you locate the API token field. You should see a Copy API token button right next to it. Click Copy API token, and Todoist will copy your API key to your clipboard automatically. At this point, your token is ready to paste into your script, automation tool, or platform of choice. Just be careful not to share this key publicly because it gives access to your Todoist account data depending on how it's used. If you ever need to use it again, you can come back to the same Developer tab and copy it whenever needed, and that's it. You now know how to get your Todoist API key quickly and easily. If this video was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.